Welcome to the first lesson of our journey into the fundamentals of Agile methodology, understanding the Agile mindset. Agile is more than a set of practices. It's a mindset that revolutionizes the way teams approach work. It's about adopting a flexible, collaborative, and iterative approach to project management and product development. This lesson delves into the Agile mindset, setting the foundation for everything we'll learn in this course. First off, what is the Agile mindset? The Agile mindset is a frame of thinking that emphasizes value delivery, team collaboration, customer feedback, and responsiveness to change. It's rooted in the belief that better outcomes are achieved by adopting a flexible, adaptive approach, rather than adhering strictly to plans and processes. The Agile mindset is guided by the values and principles outlined in the Agile Manifesto. Now, what does the Agile Manifesto entails? In February 2001, 17 software developers convened to discuss lightweight development methods, leading to the creation of the Agile Manifesto. The manifesto contains 4 foundational values and 12 supporting principles that encapsulate the essence of the Agile mindset: individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, responding to change over following a plan. Are we following? Let us explore the values, individuals, and interactions. Agile prioritizes people and teamwork over rigid processes and tools. It recognizes that successful outcomes are created through effective collaboration among well-organized teams. Working software. In Agile, the primary measure of progress is the delivery of functional software. This value emphasizes the importance of producing tangible results over exhaustive documentation. Customer collaboration. Agile promotes close, ongoing collaboration with customers. This engagement helps ensure that the project evolves in line with customer needs and expectations. Responding to change. Agile methodologies are built to accommodate and embrace change, even late in the development process. This adaptability allows teams to pivot based on feedback and changing requirements, ensuring the final product is as relevant and valuable as possible. I must state this: adopting the Agile mindset means embracing change, seeking feedback, and focusing on delivering value. It involves viewing challenges as opportunities for growth and learning, prioritizing people and their interactions within the team, developing a customer-centric approach to project development, maintaining flexibility to adapt to new information and circumstances. Mind you, understanding. The Agile mindset is crucial for anyone looking to implement Agile practices successfully. It's not just about adopting new methods, it's about changing how we think about work, collaboration, and problem solving. As we move forward, keep in mind that Agile is a journey of continuous improvement, both for our projects and ourselves. Let's move on by exploring the 12 supporting principles of Agile methodology to satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. Agile processes harness change for the customer's competitive advantage. It delivers working software frequently, from a couple of weeks to a couple of months, with a preference to the shorter timescale. Business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. To build projects around motivated individuals, give them the environment and support they need, and trust them to get the job done. It is the most efficient and effective method of conveying information to and within a development team is face-to-face conversation. Working software is the primary measure of progress. Agile processes promote a sustainable development. The sponsors, developers, and users should be able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. Are we following? I have listed 8 next is. Continuous attention to technical excellence and good design enhances agility. Simplicity, the art of maximizing the amount of work not done, is essential. The best architectures, requirements, and designs emerge from self-organizing teams. Lastly, at regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective, then tunes and adjusts its behavior accordingly. Are we good on the supporting principles? Okay, we are moving on to another lesson under this course. Overview of Agile frameworks: Scrum, Kanban, XP, Lean. Agile methodology is a philosophy that can be implemented through various frameworks, each with its unique approach to project management and software development. This lesson explores 4 major Agile frameworks: Scrum, Kanban, Extreme Programming, XP, and Lean. Understanding these frameworks will help you choose the right approach for your projects and teams. Okay, let's explore the Agile frameworks. Scrum. Scrum is a framework used to manage complex product development. It is characterized by fixed-length iterations called sprints, which usually last 2 or 4 weeks. Scrum emphasizes roles: Scrum Master, Product Owner, and Development Team. Artifacts like product backlog, and product increment, and ceremonies like sprint planning, daily stand-up, sprint review, and sprint retrospective. Scrum is best suited for projects where the requirements are rapidly changing or not well defined. It fosters a collaborative environment where teams can quickly adapt to change and deliver value to the customer incrementally. The second is Kanban. Kanban is a visual workflow management method that enables teams to visualize their work, limit work in progress, (WIP), and maximize efficiency or flow. Kanban boards are used to represent the stages of work, allowing teams to see the progress of tasks through the workflow. Kanban can be applied to any type of work, but is particularly effective in environments where work arrives unpredictably and requires quick turnaround. It is ideal for managing ongoing maintenance and support tasks, as well as in operations and development environments. I hope we are still together. Next is Extreme Programming, XP. Extreme Programming, XP, is a software development methodology designed to improve software quality and responsiveness to changing customer requirements. It emphasizes customer satisfaction, continuous feedback, continuous delivery of valuable software, and simplicity. Key practices include pair programming, test-driven development, TDD, continuous integration, and collective code ownership. XP is particularly effective for projects with rapidly changing requirements or technologies, and where the risk of software defects is high. It emphasizes technical practices that ensure high-quality outcomes. The last one is Lean. Lean software development is adapted from lean manufacturing principles and practices. It focuses on optimizing efficiency and minimizing waste in the development process, with a strong emphasis on delivering value to the customer. Key principles include eliminating waste, amplifying learning, deciding as late as possible, delivering as fast as possible, empowering the team, building integrity in, and seeing the whole. Lean is best applied in environments where there is a significant emphasis on process efficiency and waste reduction. It's suitable for organizations looking to optimize their development processes and enhance productivity without sacrificing quality. Do we get it? Now, each Agile framework offers unique approaches and tools for managing projects and developing high-quality software efficiently. By understanding the fundamentals of Scrum, Kanban, XP, and Lean, teams can select the framework that best suits their project needs, team dynamics, and organizational culture. Remember, the choice of framework should be guided by the project requirements, team preferences, and the specific challenges you aim to address. Are we good? Hope we are not tired? Let us move to the last part of this first module, comparing Agile with traditional project management. This lesson explores the fundamental differences between Agile methodologies and traditional project management approaches. While Agile is a flexible, iterative approach that adapts to change, traditional project management, often exemplified by the waterfall model, follows a linear, sequential design. Understanding these differences is crucial for project managers and teams to select the best approach for their projects. Let me give us the overview of traditional project management. Waterfall. Let us be attentive. The waterfall model is a project management approach characterized by a linear, sequential phase development, where each phase depends on the deliverables of the previous one and corresponds to a specialization of tasks. The main stages include requirements, design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. It offers a structured approach, making it easier to measure progress and manage budgets. It is well suited for projects with well-defined requirements that are unlikely to change. Of course, it has its own limitation. The main drawback is its inflexibility in dealing with changes. Once a stage is completed, it's difficult and costly to go back and make changes. Let us move to the overview of Agile project management. Do not forget, we are on the comparison. Agile project management is an iterative, incremental approach to delivering a project throughout its life cycle. Iterative or agile life cycles are composed of several iterations or incremental steps towards the completion of a project. Agile methodologies promote a project management process that encourages frequent inspection and adaptation, a leadership philosophy that encourages teamwork, self-organization, and accountability, a set of engineering best practices intended to allow for rapid delivery of high-quality software, and a business approach that aligns development with customer needs and company goals. An advantage is the high adaptability to change, which allows for the incorporation of feedback and adjustments throughout the project lifecycle. It encourages customer involvement and delivers functional parts of the project early in the process. As for the limitations, it can be difficult to predict effort and time needed for the project. It requires a highly collaborative team environment and customers willing to be involved in the project process. Aside the comparison, let me give us the key differences: flexibility in changes. Agile allows for changes in project scope at any point, which is limited in traditional approaches. Project phases. Traditional project management follows a linear path, whereas Agile divides the project into smaller parts, allowing various phases of work to happen simultaneously. Stakeholder involvement. Agile methodology involves stakeholders throughout the project, encouraging feedback and adaptation. In contrast, stakeholder involvement in the waterfall model is primarily at the beginning and end of the project. Delivery approach. Agile focuses on delivering a minimum viable product (MVP) early in the process, with continuous iterations. Traditional methods aim to deliver a complete product at the end of the project timeline. Understanding the distinctions between Agile and traditional project management methodologies allows teams and managers to make informed decisions about the best approach for their projects. The choice should be based on the project's needs, team dynamics, stakeholder involvement, and the desired level of flexibility and adaptability. I hope we perfectly understand the fundamentals of Agile methodology. Thanks for joining. In our next class, we will go deeply into the Agile frameworks one after the other. Do not forget to subscribe and stay tuned.